Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Icrt客家here on FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're all teaching you the term congratulations, 恭喜。
恭喜恭喜
恭喜恭喜 because New Year's is just around the corner. Chinese New Year, that is. Okay, Lunar New Year. 就是农历新年即将要来到了 And there's a lot of preparation we need to get ready for before heading into this New Year's. Okay, any New Year's. And one is to have a New Year's Eve dinner with your family. 也就是吃年夜饭。
对。
年夜饭 How do you say that?
团圆饭。
团圆饭就团圆饭嘛。
对。
In Hakka, it literally means a family get-together dinner. 团圆 means get together.
对。
Right?
那海陆腔团圆饭呢叫团圆饭。
Oh, that's quite different for a different dialect for New Year's Eve dinner. 团圆饭. Okay, that's a different dialect of saying New Year's Eve dinner. Also, you should clean up the house, okay? Because if you don't, it's going to be bad luck for the coming year, okay? And you should always clean up the house to welcome a new year anyways. 要大扫除。
开冰收。
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 好, that means a big, full, complete cleanup of the house, okay? 大扫除. And then on the midnight, when we reach a new year, 在这个12点钟的时候，嘣，一到了这个新的一年，我们要怎么样？
放鞭炮。
That's right. We gotta light some firecrackers, right? 放鞭炮 How do you say that?
鞭字炮
要鞭了哈。
对。
刚刚是鞭，然后这是鞭。
鞭，
对不对？鞭是要大扫除啊，鞭就是要放鞭炮了。
对，鞭字炮
鞭字炮OK。
也有人会说大字炮
大字炮OK。
就放鞭炮啦，
对，听起来很有味道很有力量。Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases, and let's go ahead and teach you how to say we should always do a cleanup before New Year's Eve， 也就是除夕夜之前要大扫除嘛。
30安补前
，30安补前，30听起来是30，对不对？
对。
That means the 30th, which is New Year's Eve on the lunar calendar. Okay.
爱太冰收。
爱太冰收 That means got to do the big cleanup. All right, 整句怎么说
？30安补前，爱太冰收。
30安补前，爱太冰收。That means you got to do a big cleanup, okay? All right, let's review all these phrases. 年夜饭 New Year's Eve dinner.
团圆饭
团圆饭 And then the big cleanup 大扫除
太冰收
太冰收 And then to light firecrackers 放鞭炮
鞭字炮
鞭字炮And don't forget, this whole month we're teaching you terms related to congratulations. 恭喜
恭喜
恭喜 And there you go. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎
汉字say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.